why should I pick a plant source over an animal source for protein? And is one better than the other at giving me what I need?
Oh, they sure are. There's a lot on that. And that's what we were fascinated in our plant-powered protein book, to delve into this in a lot of depth. So I'll start and say a few things. So the animal products have a lot of negative qualities. They have some components that can turn into TMAO that's related to cardiovascular disease. They have new 5G, which is related to cancers, and there are components that are linked to increased risk of chronic disease. We used to always think about saturated fat, but there's a lot more than that. And they also, the plant proteins, have wonderful benefits like protective phytochemicals. And Brenda, do you want to say a few more things here?
Sure. You know, it's so interesting. For so many years, we determined the quality of protein based on sort of the amino acid profile. So those 9 essential amino acids, there are 20 amino acids, 9 of which are essential, 6 of which are conditionally essential under certain circumstances, and then 5 of which are considered non-essential. But the deal was, for so many years, we rated animal products as being high quality protein sources or complete protein sources, simply because the protein in those foods is so digestible, and the profile, that essential amino acid profile, matched human needs per gram of protein relatively well.
Can I add something here?
Yes.
And it was also from thinking, when rats were given one single food, the research was based on that thinking. Now, humans do not and should not eat just one single food for their protein. So it was a concept that we've really outgrown quite a long time ago. And when we get a mix of foods, of course, we get the whole mix. And it was also when protein was just limited to exactly your minimum requirement.
Exactly. And the other thing to recognize that a lot of people don't recognize is every single one of the essential amino acids is made by plants. So it makes no sense to think we can't get them from plants. It's where they come from. We get them directly from plants or indirectly by eating animals that ate plants, or very indirectly by eating animals that ate other animals that ate plants, but they come from plants.